the Eaglesville College in Ota. This is one of our new centers for the Special Summer School 2024. And we're very glad that we're able to reach out to children in this community. It has been a massive turnout throughout the 4 to 5 weeks intensive vocational skill learning in this center.
This will be my first time teaching students on how to sew. Majority of them, they don't have sewing machines at home. So I taught them on how to sew with the use of needle and thread. The first thing I taught them was different necklines, on how to take measurements.
In Nigeria of today, everybody needs to go to school as if it's not going to acquire any skill, and everybody needs to acquire skill as if he did not go to school. At the point, the chairs, the furniture in the school could not accommodate those who came for the lessons. We had to go rent chairs. The beautiful thing about the summer lesson is the fact that skills acquisition became a very key factor.
I see barbing as a thing I really love, as a way to express myself. So when the Special Youth Foundation came and granted us this opportunity, I felt glad, and I'm happy to be part of the people that were there.
If we give them an avenue to learn more, especially handwork, because as it is now, we can see that the economy concerning our country is very bad. So this kind of thing can engage them.
Apart from the academics stuff, I learned how to make bridal and fan and tote bag. This bridal and fan is made with carton, feathers, trimmings, lining, and gum. You can make it in any way. You can make it either in round form or in semicircle form.
Now they can make it on their own at home. Now most of them have even started making it to sell.
I joined the photography class. Our teacher taught us the parts of the camera. She taught us the work of a photographer. The class was so interesting because our teacher was friendly. She always gives us the camera to handle. Now I can take a picture. Thanks to the Special Youth Foundation for what they've done.
I make this clothes by myself with the use of thread and needle. I give all my appreciation to the Special Foundation.
A very big shout out to Special Foundation for putting this in through, because it is really one of a kind, and we can't really see anywhere where we integrate vocational training to school curriculum.
My advice for them is not to stop. They should keep practicing, because the more they practice, the more they know more.
I want to really appreciate the Special Foundation for what they have done in the lives of these children and also in the school.
I want to really appreciate this Special Youth Foundation for bringing this opportunity to us. I'm so glad, because last time I came here for the summer coaching, it was not this great, and I hope they come again next year for this summer coaching.
It's been a massive turnout, and we are really proud of the impact in this center. The school recorded that many schools in this area shut down because all of their students came here when they heard about the Special Summer School. They were very interested in the skill sets that they were offering: coding, baking, tailoring, and so much more. So we hope that with these skill sets that we have taught these children during these 4 to 5 weeks, they are able to impact their community and, Africa at large.
Thank you, Special Youth Foundation.